Here's how to set up an automatic deposit on Robinhood. So to do that, we're going to have to go to our Transfers tab. That's in our Account dropdown, and then we'll go down to Transfers. Now inside of Transfers, we will transfer money or start a new transfer. In here, we'll choose from our bank account to our Robinhood account. So choose whatever accounts make sense for you. And then to set up an automatic deposit, we can choose a frequency of weekly, twice a month, monthly, or even quarterly. So maybe you want to do something weekly, like $5 weekly, for instance. We could choose the amount, $5, select weekly, and then review the transfer. After that, you want to make sure that all this info is correct, and you can simply click to schedule your deposit. And so that will turn on an automatic deposit weekly for $5. And it says right here, it'll be initiated every Monday, so that might be a different day for you. It just kind of depends, but that's how you can set up an automatic deposit on Robinhood.